Ganesha is seen with two other people. Who are they? Who are the two people whom we have, right? Yeah, Lakshmi and Saraswati. Okay? Lakshmi and Saraswati is where, okay, wherever you see Ganesha, right? You see these two people as well. So why do you think Ganesha has both Lakshmi and Saraswati? Anyone here want more Lakshmi in your life because of your online courses? Anyone here feels that you have a lot of Saraswati, but you don't have any Lakshmi in your life? Okay? I have a lot of value. I have a lot of talent. I have a lot of skills, but people are not able to recognize that value. Do you feel that, have the feeling, guys, that I have a lot of Saraswati, but I don't have Lakshmi? It's like directors, right? I have a lot of skills, but nobody is seeing my films. So the important message is this. For example, let us say you are charging 15K for your services. Then you take a sales training, and because of that sales training, you actually start charging 45K. You learn how to handle objections and etc., and you go from 15K to 45K. So what is actually giving you more Lakshmi? You took a sales training and you went from 15K to 45K. What does this mean? It means that there is no Lakshmi without Saraswati. There is no Lakshmi without Saraswati. So your job, Ganesha is telling you every time he comes, right? So you can get all the Lakshmi you want if you have Saraswati with you. And there is no Lakshmi that is without Saraswati. Got it? So anyone here want to put your hands down and you're going to put all your effort, you're going to commit for the next 2 days to learn the Saraswati? Type I commit in the chat box. We're going to commit to this, guys. I want to type I commit to I want you to be live in the next 2 days. If you commit to the Saraswati that I'm going to give you in the next 2 days, you'll be walking out with a lot of Lakshmi. At the end of 2 days. That's my promise to you. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen. Okay. And I'm going to stop the chat so that it is not disturbing for you guys. Let Lakshmi come and says, okay. A lot of people will be walking away with a lot of Lakshmi, but Saraswati is where it is, right? The source is always Saraswati. The source is not the Lakshmi, okay? The source is always Saraswati. And I will now go into this, okay? And so you should be able to see the screen. The screen says binge marketing weekend WhatsApp class. So just type by confirming that you are able to see my screen, type by typing screen, and I will straight away jump into today's presentation. All right. So before I go into this, right, I will tell you one thing. Okay. So I have done this for thousands of people. Okay. More than I think 5,000 people have taken this particular weekend WhatsApp class, and I have made them to launch their course within 2 days. So in this program, whom should you listen to? Should you listen to people who are students who are chatting something in the chat box, or you should listen to me and get your course launched tomorrow? Whom should you listen? Okay? A person who has helped 5,000 people to launch their online courses, or someone who is telling you how to do it in the chat. Okay? So that is the rule, right? So I have structured everything. Okay? I am structuring everything in a way that you get inspired. I am going to bring in people. For example, I am going to spend 20 minutes today, 10 minutes with one fitness expert and 10 minutes with parenting expert. I am bringing on those people because I want to inspire you. Anyone here don't want to just get instructions, but you want to see real people and get inspired? So I will bring on people for inspiring you, and I will be bringing on people those who have walked the talk. Okay? So type inspire, and I'll be starting today because I want you guys to get inspired and not just instruct. Okay? And listen to me. Okay? Don't listen to people in the chat box. Okay? This is how you conduct. I'm not seeing any value. Okay? Don't listen to all those chat people who are telling anything about this, because I know what it is. Okay? I know what it is and how it is done. I've been doing this for 6 episodes. Okay? And I'm going to stop the chat now so that we can proceed. Okay? All right. So we'll be doing this at 9:45 and 10:45. Okay. At 9:45 a.m. I'm going to bring on the first expert. At 10:45 a.m. I'm going to bring on the second expert. Okay. And for 10 minutes each, because I want you guys to get inspired. So that is why we are bringing in people. Okay. All right. So today you're going to learn this, how to get 25 to 30 online course sales every week without doing high pressure webinars. So this is what you're going to learn in the next 2 days of this particular weekend workshop. So today, in the first episode, you're going to see the overview. What is this binge marketing and how it is changing the game of marketing? And so many people, so many masters, gurus, everyone is switching to this kind of marketing. Why are they doing it so? Let me just explain this. So what do you think is the fastest way to create the greatest course in the world? I want you guys to answer in the chat box. What do you think is the fastest way? Fastest way to create the greatest course in the world. Provide value. I'm not asking about something small, guys. Let us say, if you want to become the world's best magician, what will you do? What is the fastest way to become the world's number one? Nobody is giving me the answer, guys. What is the fastest way to become the world's best magician? The world's fastest way to become the world's best magician is finding out who is the world's best and learning from them. If you want to become the world's best magician, what should you do? You should find out who is the world's best magician and study under him for 6 months, and you will automatically become the world's best magician. Type agree if you agree to this, right? This is the fastest way. People don't do this. Okay? And I want to reiterate this. Type agree if you agree to this. If you want to become the world's greatest course creator, you just need to find out who is the world's best and learn from them. Okay? So here, find out the greatest courses in the world and make it simpler, faster, and customized to your audience. This is how everyone does it. No matter how big that person is, they have found out the greatest books, they have found out the greatest courses in the world and make it simpler, faster, and customized to your audience. That's all it takes. And people don't do this. Everyone wants to become an aspiring course creator. Everyone wants to create courses and make passive money, but nobody ready to do this. And I invested 72 lakhs in myself. For the past 12 years, that means on an average, I have invested 6 lakhs in myself. Anyone here thinks this is crazy? How can someone invest this much in himself? But I realized very early in my life that if you want to become the world's best, you need to learn from the world's best. I'll be showing an article very shortly about this. These are my mentors. I don't have just one mentor. I have several mentors, and I think more than 50 mentors I have, but I'll be just listing out the 8 main mentors because I think they are the world's best. Dan Kennedy is my the world's number one marketing mentor. Okay, he is this. I have his autobiography. And he has given me so much stuff. Dan Kennedy has given me so much stuff. And he's the world's number one marketing mentor because his books, courses and programs are read and consumed by so many people and so many more people than anyone else on the planet. That is why he's the number one marketing mentor. Ari Galper is the world's best sales expert. Glenn Dietz is the personal branding expert. Franken is the video expert. Ryan Levesque, Ryan Diaz, Russell Brunson, Todd Brown, all these people are modern marketing mentors. I have invested 72 lakhs in myself. And I agree that I have come to an agreement that there are no course creators. There are only course curators. We can just get information, insights, and data from all our mentors together. And the course will actually happen through us, but it is actually through our mentors. your mentors actually act through you so that you actually become a course like a creator, right? You curate all the information insights from so many people and then you create a course. And that's why I say there are no course creators out there. There are only course curators. Type curator in the chat box if you agree that there are only curators. And I'm going to show this to you guys. And this is the mindset. Okay? The mindset I want you to have. Okay. And I want to show this to you guys. Okay. I want to show this article to you. Okay. So able to see my screen that says neurosurgeon versus course creator? Okay. So here I'm going to show this to you. I'm going to do this article to you. Okay. So people have been asking me this question for a pretty long. Okay. Neurosurgeon versus course creator. One of the frequently asked questions to me is, what should be the topic of my online course? Can I launch an online course even without having the experience? If you have been searching for answers to these questions, you need to understand the process of exactly how a neurosurgeon becomes a neurosurgeon. Here's what he does. He decides to solve thousands of patients' brain problems in his lifetime. When he chooses a college to do his MBBS, then pursue an MS degree before he can start operating on the brain problems of his patients. He spends a lot of time and money acquiring knowledge and skills to solve his clients' problems. People pay him lakhs for performing neurosurgery because it is an urgent and a big problem to solve for his patients. He doesn't need to have a brain problem himself for him to become a neurosurgeon. So as a course creator, it is not about the topic and it is not about having the experience you have right now. It is about how well you understand the problem you want to solve and then gaining the knowledge, skills and experience to solve that problem. How big and urgent the problem is will determine how much you can charge for your online course. Let us say you choose the problem of making entrepreneurs consistent. Now you need to spend the time and money on learning from the world's best books and mentors who are solving that problem for 2 to 3 months to reach the level of expertise worthy of a neurosurgeon who can solve problems with surgical precision. Here is where aspiring course creators fail. They don't invest in the world's best practitioners because they are expensive. Education was expensive. He knows that that is what it takes to become a problem solver with surgical precision. Will you become a neurosurgeon or remain an aspiring course creator? Type neurosurgeon in the chat box if you agree that this is what it is. Okay? You can just become a curator and you just need to invest your time and money in this. Okay? If you don't do this, you will never create a course that will be successful. All right. This is the message, guys. Okay. If you don't get this mindset correct, you will never succeed with your online course. You need to become a neurosurgeon, not just, okay, I want to share my knowledge. No, people don't want your knowledge. Okay. They